a whole pack of 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait, 1, 2, 3, 4. Today, I've decided that I'm gonna do a tutorial on how to apply falsies. Falsies are probably one of the hardest things to do makeup-wise with a lot of people. And I know some girls that can't apply falsies because of their nails or such. But ladies, I'm here to help because I had a hard time applying falsies a long time ago. I still have days sometimes where it's like I can't do this for shit. But today, we gonna learn. I don't recommend you guys going to Ulta or Sephora to get lashes. I don't. I think Ulta and Sephora are ripoff for lashes. Unless you really are looking for a specific lash, you can get wispies, which are my favorite. They look the best. And you can get them. You can get like a whole 4-pack for the price of one Sephora set of lashes. Thank me later. So the way I look at it is lashes vary on your face shape. If you have a small face and like a small head, I don't recommend you using like outrageously double up ones or big ones just because it takes away from your actual eyes and your face. And all you look at is like a big set of fucking lashes on someone's face. And it kind of looks like a broomstick. I don't know if you guys have seen the meme with the broomstick as lashes. It's right here. That's what I'm talking about. You don't want to look like that, okay? So you got to make sure that the lashes you get, A, look natural, B, fit your face shape, and C, you apply them right because you don't want to have one little piece coming out here and you don't want to have them too high up to the point where your lash line is actually visible and you can tell that there's a difference. The key to it is always knowing where your lash line is and going off of that. Now, I'm going to apply some lashes, and I'm going to do them in steps. So, step 1, get the lashes out. They usually come like this. One side is usually shorter than the other, and that's the side that you want to put your inner eye in. So, shorter to larger, shorter to larger. And these are wispies. These are Ardell ones. I love Ardell wispies, and I use Duo glue. The glue that I'm talking about, it's blue because I use the fast drying or the quick set. You can get the cheaper, not cheaper, but a different one. It's black, same thing. Or you can get one that actually comes off as black. Personally, I don't like the black colored glue just because if you do like screw up a little bit and you have to push the lash down or something, you'll have like a freaking stripe of black glue, which is like all tacky, and then you have to like get it off, and it's a pain in the ass. So what I recommend is usually the, invisible white clear duo, and I like the quick set because you don't have to wait 30 seconds and blow on it. It's pretty much a 10-second wait and then apply those girls. So this is what I'm about to do. This is the duo that I'm talking about that's black. I don't like this one. I have it, and only time I'll actually use this is if I don't have any more of the clear adhesive one, and I'll use this with black eyeliner. That way, if I do fuck up, you can't really tell because I have a black eyeliner. Bada bing, bada boom. Now, the trick is if you want to do eyeshadow or eyeliner, do it beforehand, okay? Do it beforehand. Now, if you're a newbie applying lashes, I would put the lashes on first. Some people might disagree with me, but personally, I just think it's a hot mess when you're first applying on the lashes for the first time and you're just screwing up everywhere, and then you have like eyeliner smudging and your eyeshadow getting effed up. So literally what I would recommend is putting on the lashes first and then applying what you need to apply, and then set the lashes with some mascara, and bada bing, bada boom, you're done. So let's begin. I have a set that I am reusing, but they come from this. I like to reuse my lashes because I don't really cry in them or get them wet. Now, if you get them wet, if you've been crying in them, if you fall in a pool or whatever, go swimming, don't reuse them because, honey, they're done. But I like reusing mine because when the new set comes, this side right here, like the bottom, is a little flimsy, so it's a little harder to put them on. So once you've reused them, the lash line thing gets a little harder, so it's easier to like place it on there. So first things first is, I can tell this is for this eye because right here it's shorter and then it goes longer. Do you see? So what I'm gonna do is grab them. Make sure you have a pair of tweezers with you or close to you. I like to keep two, a skinnier set and a larger set. And some people have those like eyelash applicators. Don't use them. Those are terrible unless you like using them, but I don't like them. So you put the glue on the lash line. Don't put too much, but put enough. I like to make sure my ends are good because that's usually the side that tends to like come up a little bit. That's the side that you see it. When the glue turns blue, that's when it's time to put them on your eyelid. So it's turning blue. Do you see it? So now we're gonna put it on the lash like so. I like to use my nails as help. And you know, you just put them on the lash line as close as you can. And then what I like to do is I like to grab these two fingers and pull them onto the lash. That way the lash and the strip get together. Boom, you have your first set of lashes on. And you can't really tell they're fake, you know. Boom. And it's already like a huge difference, so I like it. And then we're gonna do the other one. Still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take the hit and still finish one, yeah. Okay, this is when the tweezers come in handy. So I can get this side. So what I'm gonna do is get the tweezer and push it down on the lash line, like so. That way, the tweezer helps me out, and then I get the edge of the tweezer and just push down on the lash line. See? And then this side is a little loose, so what I'm gonna do is get it and use it to push down. Please don't poke your eye. And that's why the tweezers always come in handy, because you don't know when you're gonna need a little more precision with applying these babies. Now you just let the glue do its work, you let them set, and boom, you have eyelashes. Again, I use the Ardell Wispies. I used the 4-pack that I bought. It was like $7. The glue is usually like $2 or so, and boom, like it's pretty and it works and they're reusable and I love them. And this is probably the last time I'm gonna use this set of lashes because you can tell they're getting a little clunky, but it depends on your look. I like to have kind of a little bit of a fuller lash with, you know, some mascara to make them look poppin'. You don't have to apply mascara sometimes, but that's the way I like it. Thank you guys so much. I hope you can learn from this. If you guys want any more videos or any more tips, please comment on the bottom, like, share, and subscribe. And thank you for your support. All hateful comments will be deleted. Thank you. She pop it. I'm tryna call me a Rari. How about that bitch and get rowdy? I'm tryna